In this lecture, we will discuss reactivity of LDA and IPA base. LDA is nothing but it is lithium diisopropylamine. Lithium diisopropylamine. And IPA is simple isopropylamine. Isopropylamine. See, if we consider the structures of both, then isopropylamine is nothing but this is isopropyl group and there is an H2. And if we consider lithium diisopropylamine, then there will be two isopropyl group. There will be lithium attached to it. So isopropylamine is small base. If we consider size, then it is small base, and lithium diisopropyl LDA it is a bulky base. So we want to discuss how these base affect the reactivity towards carbonyl compound and the formation of enolet ion. Particularly, we will discuss enolet ion. So if we compare the reaction with aldol condensation reaction discussed in our earlier lecture, suppose we have two different aldehydes CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3 aldehyde or carbonyl compounds, for example, and this one is a aldehyde. Now if we react this with OH minus, OH minus is also a small base, so there will be formation of negatively charged. This base will abstract the proton. So now here, if we consider this as a reactant 1 and this as a reactant 2, acetaldehyde as a reactant 2, and in the first step when we add this base to reactant 1, so there are two possibilities for abstraction of hydrogen atom. There are two possibilities for abstraction of hydrogen atom adjacent to carbonyl carbon. These two protons are acidic in nature. These two protons are acidic in nature. Why? Because this carbonyl carbon, this carbonyl oxygen can withdraw electron density from adjacent carbon. So both the hydrogen adjacent to carbonyl carbon atom will be acidic. So we discuss two possibilities. Suppose this is A and this is B. So from path A and path B, we will get two carbonyl. So in path A, suppose hydrogen atom is abstracted from the CH2, there will be formation of CH3, CH2, CH minus, C double bond O, CH3. At present we don't know which is more favorable. So we are discussing both the possibilities. And in case of path B, we will have carbanion B. Suppose this is carbanion A, this is carbanion B. Now which one is more stable? So we have to discuss this resonance structure for the formation of enolet ion. Enolet ion. So there will be resonance and oxygen will have a negative charge on it. So CH3, CH2, CH. Now there will be double bond CO minus and CH3. On right hand side we will have CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond will break to single bond O minus and CH2. So here double bond is on internal side from carbanion A. In carbon from carbanion B, double bond is on terminal position. So this is a highly substituted enolet, and this is a less substituted enolet. And according to rule, highly substituted enolet is more favorable as compared to less substituted enolet. So hydrogen atom will be abstracted from this CH2 position, and we will get highly substituted enolet, and this highly substituted enolet again will make a nucleophilic attack on our aldehyde molecule CH3 C double bond O H. We are not discussing mechanism in detail. At present our focus is where there will be attack of base and there will be formation of enolet ion, whether it will be highly substituted or less substituted. But this also depends on the size. It also depends on the size of the base, and that's why we are comparing LDA versus IPA, where there will be attack. So again we will consider the same molecule. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Now what will happen when this molecule will react with LDA and IPA? In previous example, we have already discussed that hydrogen atom will be abstracted from this position. Why? Because if hydrogen is abstracted from this CH2, then there will be formation of highly substituted enolate and it will be more favorable. But what happens with the case of LDA? See, LDA is a bulky base. LDA, it is a bulky base. So it cannot penetrate inside. Inside means it cannot reach to this CH2 carbon atom to abstract the hydrogen atom, and that's why LDA is a bulky base will abstract hydrogen atom from terminal it cannot penetrate inside. So in this case, the negatively charged carbanion will have the structure CH2 C double bond O CH2 minus, while IPA is a small base. IPA is a small base, it can penetrate inside and it will abstract the hydrogen atom from internal position. So this will be the resulting structure. Now here we can see if there is a enolate ion formation, then it will be a less substituted. It will be a less substituted. CO minus double bond CH2 less substituted enolate will be formed. Why less substituted? Because LDA cannot penetrate inside. So in case of LDA, less substituted enolate is favorable, while in case of IPA, highly substituted enolate will be formed. Highly substituted enolate will be formed. So here we have studied effect of size of base towards its reactivity with the carbonyl compound.